Forgot, by the way. So speaking of Dart, I forgot for a second that Russell Wilson was there in New York.
Yeah, as is Jameis.
As is Jameis.
Yeah. They actually have a decent quarterback room.
They do, actually. But that's a good spot for Jackson because as we talked about going into this draft, him having to get thrust into day one starter right away is not ideal for him. And so he gets to go to New York, learn under a great quarterback coach, but also get to sit back and observe a Super Bowl winner veteran. I know he's kind of weird, but Russell Wilson is a guy that you want to learn from if you're a quarterback. And so what a great opportunity he's got, even though my pick would have been the Rams for him, to go to New York, learn from a Super Bowl winning veteran, and not get thrown right into the fire right away and possibly derail his confidence like we see happen in the NFL sometimes.
Yeah, it's a good spot for him. That's a team, they're not a playoff team by any stretch of the imagination, but they are a good young team. Mm-hmm. They have a lot of young talent on defense. You've got the quarterback. You've got an elite receiver. People don't know this. I learned this from listening to Bill Simmons' podcast with Peter Schrager the other day. The second leading rookie rusher was the Giants guy.
How about that?
So he's a 1,000-yard back. So even though Saquon was gone, they still had a 1,000-yard back. That's a good young team, and we'll see how Dart can fit in with them. But I'll be kind of surprised if, he'll get maybe by the end of the year he's starting because that team shouldn't be going anywhere.
Yeah. The only concern is for Jackson, if they lose enough and they fire Daboll, then it becomes
an issue. Yeah,
It could, and then you never know what direction it's going.
Right.
Yeah, you don't.